Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, especially XRP, securing it on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Flex is a smart move. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to transfer XRP to your Ledger Flex in 2025. This guide is designed to be straightforward, so even if you're a beginner, you'll feel confident by the end. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Ledger Flex is set up and updated. Connect your device to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you haven't installed Ledger Live yet, download it from the official Ledger website to ensure it's legitimate and secure. Once you're in, update your device's firmware to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. This is crucial for smooth transactions. Next, add XRP to your Ledger Live portfolio. Go to the app's dashboard and search for XRP. Install the XRP app on your Ledger Flex by navigating to the app catalog in Ledger Live and confirming the installation on your device. Remember, always double-check that you're using the official app to avoid any security risks. Now, for the transfer itself. Open your XRP wallet on an exchange or another wallet where you hold your XRP. Initiate a withdrawal or send function, and enter your Ledger Flex's XRP address. You can find this by opening the XRP app on your Ledger Flex and using Ledger Live to display it. Double-check the address to prevent any errors. It's a long string, so take your time. Before confirming the transfer, set the appropriate network fee. In 2025, XRP transactions are still lightning fast, but ensure you're using the XRP Ledger network. Enter the amount you want to transfer, leaving a little extra for fees, and hit send. You'll need to confirm the transaction on your Ledger Flex by checking the details on the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. Once the transaction is confirmed, head back to Ledger Live to see your XRP balance update. It should only take a few seconds. Finally, always keep your Ledger Flex disconnected when not in use and store your recovery phrase safely. That's it. You've successfully transferred XRP to your Ledger Flex. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.